Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday. It's probably about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I thought I'd come up and walk around a little bit, get a little bit of exercise, and we did a live stream today, and a lot of people were asking about the coffee lady and how she was doing, and I hadn't been by there for a while, so I figured, well, I'll come up today and check her out and see how she's doing. I know she has she's bought some new furniture and stuff, and we'll kind of show off her place. And if you all come here and want to have some good coffee, come pay her a visit. She's really a nice lady, and she's got a sweet kid, and it's just really one of the reasons why I enjoy doing videos. You know, I can help somebody, and you know, I think I helped her some. But I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see where we're at. And as you can see, the air is completely crappy today. Oh. Scared hell out of me, come up behind me like that. I have no idea what the AQI is, but it is probably, it's well over 200. It's just nasty. I'm not going to spend a lot of time out today making a video because it's not good for your lungs, and you'll hear by the time I'm finished talking that, you know, my voice will be I'll be straining to talk. And I feel sorry for people. Hello. I feel sorry for people that have come here and found this for their vacation. Crappy ass weather. We'll go surprise her. She don't know I'm coming. Anybody home? How are you? My little buddy.
How are you?
Doing good. How you doing? Everything going okay?
Yeah.
So you got all new stuff.
Yeah. We talked about you just this morning with the who the male live in Canada.
Okay.
And she just came here a second time. The
Okay.
first time he saw me on YouTube.
The channel. Okay.
Yes, and this is second time.
Second time she's
Yes.
come. Great. Okay.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
I'm
Excellent.
very glad to meet you.
Well, I wasn't going to come up today, but I saw something that I wanted to eat up in the city.
Right.
So I figured, well,
All right.
I'll come up and eat, and then I'll stop by and see you and see how you're doing. Because I did a live stream today, and everybody was asking about you.
Me?
Yeah, they said,
Yeah.
how's coffee lady? How's coffee lady? Because I hadn't been by in a long time.
When do you think, you know, internet here is a little weak.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
And it's like a, you know, loop.
Yeah.
So I'm very uncomfortable,
Yeah.
you know, this time.
No, I do a live stream on Saturday,
Alright.
and everybody was asking about you, so I
Alright.
figured I'd come by and see
so
how you're
that's
doing.
so sweet. That's very kind.
Everything okay?
Okay. Good, great.
You
know.
fixed me a cocoa,
Okay.
no sugar,
No sugar and hot or ice, please.
ice.
Ice
And I take it away with
Okay.
me.
The milk, is it okay?
Hmm?
The milk, cow milk, is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Have a seat, please.
Okay.
Amber. Maybe here's a milk before I think for you.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm gonna take some more video
Okay.
while you're doing that.
I have a plan for a little garden this Monday, the weekend. Actually, you know, I planned for tomorrow, but
Yeah.
tomorrow is closed or something. I don't know. And
Put a garden there?
Yeah, and maybe
How
a little.
are people coming?
Yeah.
Are they still coming?
Yeah.
Good.
They
Okay.
still come
Well,
in.
this video will go up tonight, so they'll see you tonight
It's,
too.
you know, very helpful. You know, you're very helpful.
Good.
About 75%.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
truly, honestly, I saw you on YouTube. Like I'm like a celebrity, you know.
Yeah, make you famous now.
Okay, so let me make a drink
Okay,
first.
okay.
See, please.
Okay. She has really fixed this place up. And she's gonna put a little garden right there. Let's go down here, walk down here a little bit. This is a really neat area to walk around. If you just want to get back and to see how things, you know, are before they get fixed and changed and all that good stuff. This is a really neat area to walk around. But my goal today is to make it over to the Gekko and have some liver and onions and mashed potatoes and gravy. I've just been dying for it. And so that gave me a good excuse to get out today. But these are neat little places. And most of these places are guest houses. I think there was another place down here too. These things are neat. My in-laws have them. And you buy a chance. And if you get the number, you win the whiskey. This is a neat little area back in here. I will pin the location to her shop in the description. I don't know where that goes. Huh. I have to save that for another day to walk that. And I hope that my audio is good today. I've been having problems with this thing. Hey little buddies. The audio's been going crazy on this GoPro. I may have it fixed now, I don't know. Now this will be interesting. Like little dog will come up and bite me in the butt.
Hello everyone, and thank you very much. Cameron bought my coffee. I'm doing well step by step. Thank you very much. That's it.
Good, perfect. See you later.
See you
You have a
later.
good day. Tell your daughter I said hello.
I will. She's watching cartoon inside.
Good. Bye bye bye.
Thank
See you.
See you later.
Bye bye. Oh, watch out, doggy. Ankle biter. Whew. Dogs everywhere. Ah, that's good. Excellent. Whew. That air is so nasty. Wow. She always gives me mangoes too. Oh. Let me make it back to the car. We'll go get something to eat. Lots of people out moving around. Try to get across the street here. Bye-bye. See, the air quality is just absolutely horrible. I'm gonna stop for a minute. It's terrible. Hello. Ice cream. I'm okay. Phew, I gotta tighten up my pants. There we go. Walk around holding the camera. My pants fall down around my ankles would not be fun. Well, we are back at the car, and I'm gonna head over towards the Gekko to get something to eat, and I may do some more video. If not, hey, I appreciate y'all checking this video out, and appreciate everybody stopping to the channel. Appreciate the coffee that everybody's bought, and the super thanks and the super chats. I really appreciate that. And if I see anything else, I'll add more to the video. If not, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. You can see the dust on the car. This is what you breathe. Oh man, look at them kids swimming over there. Unreal. Nasty water. Amazed that they don't have the water cannons. Not that it would really make much of a difference. For show than anything else. Time to go get something to eat. See what we can get here. Let's see. I've ordered liver and onions, and it's always good. It's cooked good. It takes about 20 minutes for it to be done, but hey, it's worth it. Just like what my mom makes, but I'll show it to you whenever it comes out. Here's my food. Thank you. Wow. I'm hungry. Well, that was really good, and I think we will try to head for the hills, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.